Farewell Pilgrimage of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The farewell pilgrimage, also known as Hajjat al-Wadaa, was the final pilgrimage undertaken by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the last messenger of Islam. It holds great significance in Islamic history and is considered a crucial event that took place in the year 632 AD. The pilgrimage serves as a model and guide for Muslims around the world who perform Hajj, the annual Islamic pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca. Here is a detailed account of the farewell pilgrimage of Prophet Muhammad. Background. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, received a revelation from Allah instructing him to announce his intention to perform Hajj, inviting all Muslims to join him. This was a significant moment for the growing Islamic community as it would be the first time a large number of Muslims would participate in the pilgrimage together. Departure from Medina. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, accompanied by thousands of his companions, set out from Medina towards Mecca. This journey is often referred to as the farewell Hajj as it was the last time the Prophet would perform the pilgrimage. Sermon at Arafat. Upon reaching the plains of Arafat, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, delivered a profound sermon known as the Farewell Sermon. This sermon is one of the most notable addresses of the Prophet and covers various aspects of life, including social, economic, and moral teachings. In this sermon, Prophet Muhammad emphasized the importance of unity, brotherhood, and the rights and responsibilities of Muslims towards each other. Rituals of Hajj. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, performed all the rituals of Hajj, demonstrating the proper way to conduct each aspect of the pilgrimage. He observed the rituals at the various sacred sites, including the Tawaf, circumambulation, around the Kaaba, Sa'i, running, between Safa and Marwa, and the symbolic stoning of the devil at Mina. Declaration of Equality. During the farewell pilgrimage, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, made a powerful declaration emphasizing the equality of all Muslims, regardless of their race, tribe, or social status. He stated, all mankind is from Adam and Eve, an Arab has no superiority over a non-Arab, nor a non-Arab has any superiority over an Arab. Also, a white has no superiority over black, nor a black has any superiority over white except by piety and good action. Final message. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, took advantage of this pilgrimage to deliver his final message to the Muslim community. He reiterated the teachings of Islam, emphasized the importance of maintaining faith and unity, and urged Muslims to fulfill their religious obligations and continue spreading the message of Islam after his departure. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah. On his way back to Medina from Mecca, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, negotiated the Treaty of Hudaybiyah with the Quraysh tribe. This treaty provided a 10-year truce between the Muslims and the Quraysh, securing a period of peace and allowing Islam to spread peacefully in the region. Return to Medina. After completing the pilgrimage and accomplishing the objectives of his journey, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, returned to Medina. The farewell pilgrimage marked the end of the Prophet's prophetic mission and his physical presence among his followers. The farewell pilgrimage of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, holds immense importance for Muslims worldwide. It serves as a guiding light, providing valuable lessons on unity, equality, and the proper conduct of the pilgrimage. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.